with a Bowland steam wagon.
Bit disappointed I didn't see any Sentinels this time round, but I think those are my favourite steam engines because they're quite quick and they're quite sleek actually for a steam engine. These aren't bad either.
I don't like these lorries.
This might get loud. There's a Invicta, so 80 and quarter, Rochester.
continue going around the arena. As they come down the bottom here, we'll have a quick chat with the drivers, carers, who about what title we want to give them. Right, so a few words about Sammy Lou here. It's an ABC type roller. It was built in 1925. I've owned it 36 years. It's just come out of a full restoration. Between me, the wallet, and Rushmere Engineering, we've got it back on the road after 6 years. Well done, and looking very smart too. It's illegal on the phone. We'll go and have a chat up the middle of the arena with the drivers as they didn't stop at the PA as well. First up we have Saturn.
Yeah, so it's the big blue one here. It's 1891. It's one of the oldest engines in South East. We've had it now for 4 years. We had a steam roller before this for 10 years. A lot bigger and a lot easier to get around. Norfolk, retired in 1920, or semi-retired in 1920, went up to Sheringham for crabnet winching on the beaches of Sheringham. And then it was jumped ahead in 1942 in the Second World War, and then they found it again in 1963. A tree growing out the middle of the chimney, and they literally took the tree out, cleaned it up, and drove it out ahead. So it's literally, back in the 60s. It's had a ton of overhauls since then. It's pretty much all original, so it's 135 years old this year. And yeah, we've seen everywhere on it. No lorries, nothing. And the little one that's next to it is my son's 1/4 size. Exactly like for like. Works exactly the same way. So yeah.
But a lot cheaper to run and easier to store. Here we have Lionheart. Oh, none of you, that's how you're easy to speak about them. Well, if you're not going to speak about it, not a lot we can say about them. Well, if you make your way up to the steamers a little later, they might want to speak to some of you on a one-to-one, but they seem to go microphone shy in public.
back in business. Just a reminder, 3 o'clock, just down from the arena, we have the Terrier racing. 3 o'clock, Terrier racing. At present middle arena, we have some very shy steam engine drivers who don't want to talk about their vehicles, but they might talk on a one-to-one when they go back up and park.